Financial freedom, yeah, that's the goal. Invest your time, invest your soul. Save it, stack it, watch it grow. Generational wealth, Coach Flow.
I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generation Investors Podcast. And I just want to say 3 letters. AMD. That's right, AMD. AMD is going skyrocket, parabolic. And I want to share with you not just AMD, some other stocks I've been looking at and continue to add to my positions because the stock market is on fire. I'm talking about on fire. And I'm going to share with you today what's going on with these particular plays, price targets, and if you stay tuned towards the end, gotta leave with some motivation. And I have a bonus. That has been picked to my radar, and you should put this on your watch list. But let's get started with AMD. AMD, the growth of CPUs and GPUs. I've said it in previous episodes about AMD, and when I say AMD has taken off, we're talking about a rocket ship that is not looking to slow down. The momentum has picked up for these chips. They had an earnings call this past week and they knocked it out the park. I'm talking about out the park. Do you hear what I'm saying? AMD has woken up, and I look to continue to add for my long-term portfolio. Long-term AMD. This one right here, price target, analysts are saying, looking to hit about 625 at the highest. And I believe that there's still upside past 625. But we're talking about the next 12 months, they're saying it can go to 625. But long term, this thing can easily go to 1,000 plus because the demand has truly picked up. And we have not seen the best yet from AMD. Any CPUs, GPUs, all that demand, we talking about trillions and trillions of dollars that's finna flow into AMD. And I'm glad to be an investor in this company. And let's move on to Nvidia, another hot banger, long term. I'm talking about the latest news, AI partnership in U.S. manufacturing for AI infrastructure and expansion continues for Nvidia. I'm talking about partnership after partnership after partnership. We have not seen the best yet for Nvidia. And I continue to add to my bag. I'm talking about dips. When they pull back, just add to my bag with it. Easy dollar cost averaging. Me personally, you gotta do what's best for you. This is not financial advice. This is financial education, and always do your research. Always do your homework. And when I talk about Nvidia and these other plays I'm finna get to, I'm personally looking to, at the minimum, make about 10 grand. I'm talking about 10 grand minimum because I'm going to continue to hold this. I'm going to hold this for the long term. We talking past 2027. We talking past 28. We talking past 29, 2030. I'm talking about the next 5-10 years plus. And that's how I'm going to make a minimum 10 grand. Definitely Nvidia is a no-brainer. And they are predicting this one right here. They said has them at the minimum 230 to 250 price target. And slowly but surely is Nvidia starting to pick up steam like AMD. It's kind of mirroring it because both of them are in cahoots with AI. So definitely Nvidia is one of my heavy hitters. Let's move on to Apple. That's right. Apple, when I talk about its own ecosystem, when I'm talking about iPhones, Macs, AirPods, Apple has its all, okay? It had its own world. So Apple investors await significant AI updates, including a personalized Siri with Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference. That's coming up around June 8th. I'm gonna keep you updated on any and every update, particularly in Apple space. They are really with Tim Cook stepping down and the new chairman coming, or the CEO finna come into place, I believe we are going to see the next generation of iPhones. We're going to see the next generation of AirPods. We're going to see the next generation of Macs. I'm talking Apple got some things in the works, and with all that money they have, they're going to put it into their products. They're going to put it into their investments. So definitely Apple will not lose a step. If anything, is going to take it to another level. And speaking of another level, price target for this one, analysts are saying about 350. Another analyst I read that says it can go past 350 to about $400. So Apple have upside. Now it's not going to swing like AMD and just shoot up like the moon, but slowly but surely Apple is consistent with its price. So it's going to, if it pull back, it's going to pull back maybe a little few percentages, okay? Not 10%, not 15%. You're talking about a good 2 or 3%. And then when it goes up, we're talking about maybe 3 or 4 or 5%. So Apple, man, it's a no-brainer because half the world uses iPhones and any other Apple product. Let me know in the comment below, are you buying Apple? Moving on to Google. Google Cloud growing faster than AWS. We're talking about Amazon working services. Google, I said last year in 2025 that I was going to continue keep buying it going into this year 2026. So I still hold stance to what I believe Google has a lot of upside because the GPUs, CPUs, all that data centers, these chips that Google have in store, and all the partnerships that's being formed within the Google space, this one have more upside as well, just like Apple. Price target, they're saying that this one can hit about 515 in the next 12 months. And this one right here, I believe it can go past 515 because the more growth it has and the more of the partnerships and how they're going to update the cloud, the Google space, this one will do well going into 2027. And if you stay tuned towards this portion right here, I have a new stock that you want to put on your portfolio. This one is called RDZN. That's the ticker symbol. I say it again. RDZN. This company right here is insurance tech, offers auto insurance services through AI. Okay. And I have a question for you. Could this be the next AMD? Because a few, maybe 3 to 5 years ago, AMD was sitting at $4, to believe it or not. $3 to $4. So with this one right here, at the current price of fluctuating between $1.80 and $1.90, this one, I'm loading the boat. I am loading the boat on this one because if it go anywhere near AMD, we talking about this is right here a good buy and hold. And when the price shoots up, sell some. Buy 20, sell 10. Buy 50, sell 25. Okay, rinse and repeat. This one right here is a sleeper. This one right here is a sleeper. So this one is risky, but I like that at this price of $1.80 roughly to $1.90. This is a good price to get into. If you want to get 5 shares, 10 shares, you want to get 12 shares, you want to get 20 shares, you want to get 30 shares, dollar cost average into this one. I wouldn't put a whole lump sum money into this one. I will put $5 here, $10 there, $20 here, and then over time you will get to 100 shares because that's what I'm looking to do for this particular play. And if you have stayed tuned towards this portion right here, shout out. I'm going to give a shout out to Generation Investor Shop, where everything, and I do mean everything, is investing. We talking about savings, career ready. We talking about mental health. We talking about credit, side hustle, passive income. Everything financial education is in this shop. I'm going to leave a description below so those can check this shop out and just peruse. Look at different type of products that may interest you, because I'm looking to continue to push out more quality products heading into the summertime. And I want to give a quick shout out as we head into Mother's Day weekend. Put a shout out to all moms. Specifically, first, my wife, shout out to you, babe. Happy Mother's Day. My mama, shout out to you, and all mothers across the globe. And if you have lost a mother, prayers to you. Any mother or mother figure that has really played a role in your life, hit that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know. If you are a mother watching this, hit that thumbs up. You are auntie, hit that thumbs up. If you are grandmother, stepmother, hit that thumbs up, because you are appreciated, okay? Not just on Mother's Day, every day. Let's talk about looking for freedom. Are you looking for freedom? Because if you're looking for freedom, God got it. He got it. Yes, he does. He got freedom from fear. He got freedom from debt. He got freedom from sickness. He got freedom from disease. He got freedom for all the brokenness. He got freedom from depression. He has freedom from addiction. Okay. Freedom. If you are feeling down in the dumps, you feeling confused, you feeling distant, you feeling angry, you feeling just don't have any feelings, and you're indifferent, God got it. And it's up to you to go and commune. It's time to build a relationship. Build a relationship, and that's what he wants from you. Build a relationship that you can experience true freedom. I know I talk about financial freedom, but God has beyond financial freedom. He has true freedom. And now as we head into the summertime, it's time to budget. It is time to budget. It's time to save up, build up systems. Okay. If you are tired of working that 9 to 5, if you are tired of just barely scratching the surface because things are so expensive and it don't make any sense, it's time to pay off some debt. Start that side hustle. Supplement your income. And you say, Coach Flo, how do I want to do that? You have to go do what's best for you. Look at different skills that you want to build up. Look at different pathways you want to take. Okay, all that is possible. Okay, but like I've said, nothing isn't going down. I do mean everything is expensive, from rent to mortgage to food. Don't get me started with gas, credit card, insurance. Things are only going to go up. So what are you going to do about it? Are you going to complain? Are you going to wait around? Are you going to take action? Because now is the time to take action as we go into the summertime, to really look at, because this is Q2, second quarter of the year. Maybe the first 3 months, 4 months didn't work out for you. Now we're in the 5th month of May. What are you going to do now we are heading into the summertime? I'm going to leave that question to you. So if you have enjoyed this episode, hit that thumbs up, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.